Right, I'll do a quick video on rubbing down this door here. There you go, top to bottom. So I'm only going to do a demonstration on the top half, you get the gist of things, with following suit of the pattern of rubbing it down. I'm going to start with the, I can't remember the names of these things. I'm going to start with the deos. I'm just going to do the corners with this because this is a square head on this one first. Because the deros is actually a round head on there, and that won't get into those corners like that. So let's do a quick change over. Where did I put it? You need to look out for. Right, so this is where I'm rubbing down at the moment. You can see the difference in these two. I'm trying to get a shot out, it ain't going to happen. You can see the difference in the colour of these two. Now what's happened is this here and this here, it hasn't been rubbed down before. So this top coat I'm taking off is just sitting on there like a sheet of ice, and it will all just peel off and come off in little bits. So if you get anything like that happens, that does need to come off right back until you're getting the shine out of this, otherwise it won't key on there properly. And that is the key to when you're rubbing down. You need to get the shine off, just creating a good key for your product to go on top. So unfortunately that's something you need to look out for. It's just where it hasn't been rubbed down properly in the past, and it's just going to start pretty much flaking off there. I'll carry on anyway. Let's set you back up so you can see. that is simply just one of those panel sections. You want to making sure you're getting them nice and flat, and as well as much of the shine out of that top coat as what you can. I mean, you can really feel the difference in how these are finished compared to how that's finished. The flatter you get, the better chance you're giving yourself of producing a much sharper finish. Right, so I'm just going to do this beam and then across there, and it's pretty much, like I said, it's pretty much the same as just following the suit of rubbing that down. I don't want to make these videos too long. Don't want you getting bored. To be honest, I can probably stop there with the video. So as you can see, it's all nice and flat. You see the method I'm using of just constantly moving the sander around and not keeping it on one area for too long. That will just help evenly sand everything down rather than you really sort of burning through on one area. So if you do have sanders similar to these, that's certainly the method that I would use for that.